Hi, this is Luca Geroli with DirectOut, live from Anaheim, NAM 2026. Over the last 8 years, DirectOut growth by an impressive 550%. We could grow as much, especially because the American market helped us a lot. Having the goal to keep growing, but not giving up with the quality and the responsiveness of the service that we want to provide to all our customers, we found very logical to found our own subsidiary. Having our team here will give us the possibility to keep growing while not diminish at all the level of the services that our customers are expecting from us. We decided to establish our warehouse in Indiana. We are convinced that not only from the logistical point of view is the right spot, but there we have a great team of young and motivated good fellas which are technically prepared to guarantee that our devices will be perfect with the latest firmware installed, perfectly assembled before delivery the final solutions to our customers. We would like to invite all the US professionals. We are interested in audio solutions with no compromise, resilient, highest quality. And now that we have our US-based team, we are equipped more than ever to support and satisfy any sort of need. 2026 is going to be another year where DirectOut is poised to raise the bar again. We are about to introduce a disruptive innovation which will create a wave here from the United States, and it will be spread around the world, bringing joy and satisfaction to thousands of different customers. Come and experience the DirectOut difference.